The one case which I want to share with you today is the Sacramento Kings. So about 11 years ago, professional basketball players with the Sacramento Kings had a problem because explosion happened, but this explosion was caused by a rubber ball. And at the end, both Mr. Garcia as well as the Sacramento Kings filed a lawsuit against the manufacturer of this plastic ball for $4 million of loss of salaries, as well as roughly $30 million in pain and suffering. So you may wonder, is this a good number? Is it worth 20, 30 million? But do you believe that the Sacramento Kings got money out of that? Do you believe Francisco Garcia got money out of that? So do we have a liability, yes or no? And the question is, we really don't know. At the end, the parties settled this matter, and how this matter was settled, we don't know, because the content of this is sealed from the public, because the parties agreed to not share the details. So what we see here is there is a problem, there is a solution, and for the problem, the explosion of the ball, the solution was to come to a settlement, which leads to my next thought, that of the cases presented in the product liability world, 97% come to a result with a settlement. 3% only go to trial. 97% are settled.